Hi everyone, in this video, how to add Trust Wallet through ICE network. Means Interchange Exchange Network. So first of all, to do this, you have to open Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Tap on the settings icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like a gear or three vertical dots. You will usually find it. In the settings menu, find and select Wallet. Tap on Wallet, choose Smart Chain from the list of available networks. Since ICE is the on the Binance Smart Chain, which is BSC, you will need to add the Smart Chain network to Trust Wallet. So basically, you have to connect both of them. Now go back to the main screen of Trust Wallet. Tap on the app or browse tab at the bottom of your screen to open the built-in web browser. In the browser address, enter the ICE network website URL or the decentralized application, which is DApp if you know you want to access on the ICE network. Once you are on the ICE Network app, you can interact with it by using Trust Wallet on your connected wallet. So I have mentioned everything, the steps and everything. If you really found this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.